People over 60 are spending thousands on pills, anti-inflammatory powders, and expensive wellness trends, while some of the most powerful healing foods on earth have been sitting quietly in kitchens and gardens for thousands of years. Every day, millions wake up with swollen joints, stiff knees, low energy, brain fog, and constant fatigue. Modern life has filled our plates with processed food, sugar, chemicals, and oils the body was never designed to handle. And for many older adults, the result is silent inflammation spreading through the body year after year. But long before modern medicine existed, ancient people understood something we have forgotten. Biblical cultures relied on seeds, herbs, and natural foods God placed in the earth for strength, healing, and long life. These tiny foods were not seen as trends, they were part of daily living. And now, many of these same seeds are being studied by scientists who are shocked by what they contain. Today we're uncovering 10 powerful seeds that may help fight inflammation naturally after 60, supporting the heart, brain, joints, digestion, and even energy levels. One of the seeds on this list has been linked to remarkable longevity in some parts of the world. Another tiny seed is now being called a nutritional miracle because of the powerful nutrients hidden inside it. And the number one seed has a deep connection to ancient healing traditions that still fascinates researchers today. Some of these seeds are probably already sitting in your kitchen right now, and you may not realize how powerful they truly are. Let's get into it. The first seed may already be in your kitchen, but most people never think twice about it. Flax seed has been around for thousands of years, and in biblical times, flax was highly valued for making fine linen cloth worn by priests, workers, and kings. Yet hidden inside these tiny golden or brown seeds is something many aging bodies desperately need. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fats, natural compounds known to help calm inflammation inside the body. As people grow older, inflammation can quietly affect the joints, heart, muscles, and even the brain. That morning stiffness, aching knees, and heavy feeling in the body may all be connected to it. Researchers have been studying flaxseed closely for years. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 found that flaxseed may help reduce markers linked to inflammation and support heart health in older adults. Another report in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2022 highlighted its benefits for blood pressure and healthy aging. The best part is how simple it is to use. Many people sprinkle ground flaxseed into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies each morning without changing the taste very much. Tiny seeds, but powerful enough to change how the body ages. You have probably eaten this next seed many times without realizing how powerful it truly is. Sesame seeds may look small and ordinary, scattered on bread, mixed into sauces, or sprinkled over meals, but inside them are natural compounds that researchers now believe can help protect the aging body. One of those compounds is called sesame. It works alongside strong antioxidants that may help calm inflammation and protect cells from damage over time. As the body gets older, this matters more than ever. Inflammation can weaken bones, increase stiffness, and slowly drain strength and energy. Ancient Middle Eastern cultures understood the value of sesame long before modern science arrived. These seeds were used in oils, pastes, and healing foods because they were rich in nutrients that help people stay strong during hard seasons and long journeys. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2014 found that sesame may help reduce inflammation markers and support joint comfort. Researchers have also linked sesame nutrients to stronger bones and better heart health in older adults. Today, many people enjoy sesame through tahini, soups, salads, or simple seed toppings added to meals. Ancient cultures didn't just use sesame for flavor, they used it for survival. If you believe faith and wisdom should work together for better health after 60, subscribe now to Never Too Late 60. At Never Too Late 60, God designed hope and not fear. The next seed on this list does something unusual the moment it touches water. Chia seeds expand like a sponge, forming a soft gel around each tiny seed. And that simple reaction may be one reason so many health experts are paying attention to them today. As people grow older, hydration becomes more important for energy, digestion, joint comfort, and even brain function. Chia seeds absorb liquid while also delivering fiber that helps the body feel full longer and supports healthy digestion. That matters in a world filled with sugary cereals, processed breakfasts, and foods that can cause sharp blood sugar spikes and more inflammation. Chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fats, the same powerful nutrients linked to lower inflammation and better heart health. A review published in the Journal of Biomedical Biotechnology in 2012 found that chia contains strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may support healthy aging. Many people now soak chia seeds in water overnight, or make simple chia pudding with milk and fruit. Others stir them into smoothies for extra nutrition without changing the taste very much. What makes chia so fascinating is that ancient cultures valued these seeds centuries before laboratories ever studied them. Modern nutrition is finally rediscovering what ancient people already understood. Long before modern pharmacies existed, black cumin seeds were already being treasured across ancient lands. These small dark seeds were used by travelers, healers, and royal households throughout the Middle East, Egypt, and parts of Asia. Some even called them the seed of blessing because of their legendary reputation for supporting health and strength. What makes black cumin so powerful is a natural compound called thymoquinone. Scientists have spent years studying it because of its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. As the body ages, inflammation and weak immunity can slowly affect energy, joints, and overall wellness. Researchers now believe black cumin may help the body fight some of that damage naturally. A study published in the Journal of Inflammation Research in 2021 found that thymoquinone showed promising effects against inflammation and oxidative stress linked to aging. That discovery has only added to the mystery surrounding this ancient seed. Today, some people use black cumin oil by the spoonful, while others add the seeds to tea, soups, or warm meals. What makes this seed so fascinating is not just the science, but the history behind it. Across generations and civilizations, people kept returning to it again and again. For centuries, people believed this tiny black seed carried extraordinary healing power. Long before vitamins came in bottles, people once gathered nutrition straight from the earth. Pumpkin seeds were one of those quiet foods. Small, simple, yet filled with minerals many modern bodies now deeply lack. Today, magnesium deficiency has become common. Zinc deficiency follows close behind. The body feels it slowly. Muscles tighten. Sleep becomes light and broken. The mind stays restless at night, even when the body feels tired. Inflammation also grows louder when the body misses these minerals for too long. Many adults over 60 begin to struggle with heart pressure, weak recovery, and prostate problems without realizing nutrition may sit at the center of it all. Ancient farming families understood this in a natural way. After harvest season, roasted pumpkin seeds were shared around fires and stored through winter. They were never treated like junk food, they were protection. Even today, a small handful can help. Toss them into oatmeal. Add them to salads. Roast them lightly with sea salt. Eat them in the evening when the body begins asking for rest. Sometimes the body isn't failing. It's starving for what it once naturally received. In ancient kingdoms, the pomegranate was more than fruit. It appeared in royal gardens, sacred robes, and feast tables covered in gold. Its deep red seeds shimmered like tiny jewels under torchlight, symbols of abundance, strength, and long life. But hidden inside those bright seeds was something even greater. Modern science now speaks of powerful antioxidants found in pomegranates. These natural compounds help protect the body cells from slow damage caused by aging and stress. Day after day, the body fights silent battles inside the blood vessels, the heart, and the brain. When inflammation grows along blood vessel walls, the body begins to age faster. Blood flow weakens. Energy fades. Recovery slows. Yet studies now show that pomegranate compounds may help calm some of that damage and support healthier circulation as people grow older. The beauty of it feels almost ancient, as if the body still remembers what earlier generations once understood naturally. Sprinkle the seeds into yogurt. Blend them into drinks. Eat them fresh in the quiet evening hours. Even ancient kings viewed the pomegranate as a symbol of life itself. There is something deeply human about wanting to remember clearly, the sound of a loved one's voice, the face of a child, the feeling of being fully present in a quiet moment. As the body ages, the brain faces constant pressure from oxidative stress. Tiny damage builds slowly over time inside the cells. This is where sunflower seeds quietly matter. They are rich in vitamin E, a nutrient known for helping protect the brain and nervous system from that daily wear. Modern researchers now connect inflammation and oxidative stress to memory decline, slower thinking, and mental fatigue later in life. Long ago, people may not have known scientific words for it, but they understood the value of nutrient-dense foods. Seeds, nuts, and grains were treasured because they helped people stay strong through long winters, hard labor, and old age. Even now, sunflower seeds fit easily into daily life. Add them to bread, soups, or salads. Sprinkle them over rice. Keep a small handful nearby instead of processed snacks. Because after 60, the goal isn't just living longer, it's staying clear, strong, and present. For many people, hemp seeds still sound mysterious. But these tiny seeds are not intoxicating. They do not create the effects people often fear. What they carry instead is nutrition the body deeply understands. Modern science now studies hemp seeds for their rich protein, healthy fats, and powerful support against inflammation. Inside each spoonful are nutrients that help the body repair cells, protect the heart, and support the muscles as the years pass. After 60, muscle loss becomes a quiet battle. Recovery slows. Strength fades faster after sickness or stress. Yet the body still hungers for real nourishment, especially natural protein and healthy omega fats. Long ago, people received these nutrients from simple foods grown close to the earth. Today, many diets are flooded with processed oils, artificial snacks, and empty calories that leave the body tired instead of restored. That is why hemp seeds feel almost ancient in their power. Clean nutrition hidden inside something small and overlooked. Mix them into oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies. Sprinkle them over vegetables or soup for an easy daily habit. What modern wellness trends are selling at premium prices, nature already created. For centuries, vineyards were seen as symbols of wealth, celebration, and long life. But hidden deep inside each grape was something few people ever noticed. The seed. Today, researchers study grape seed extract with growing excitement. Inside these small seeds are powerful compounds linked to circulation, blood vessel support, and protection against inflammation that slowly damages the body over time. As people age, free radicals begin attacking healthy cells every single day. This silent damage affects the skin, the heart, the brain, and even energy levels. The body weakens little by little, often without warning. But grape seeds contain strong antioxidants that may help defend the body against that slow breakdown. Some studies now connect these compounds to healthier blood flow and better protection for delicate tissues throughout the body. What makes this discovery feel almost unbelievable is how often grape seeds are ignored, removed, or thrown away without a second thought. Ancient people may not have understood the science, but they respected the vine as a symbol of life, strength, and renewal. Researchers were shocked by how much protection could come from what most people throw away. In ancient scripture, the mustard seed became a symbol of impossible growth. Tiny enough to rest on a fingertip, yet powerful enough to grow into something strong, living, and lasting. That image still speaks deeply to aging today. Because many people begin to feel smaller with time, weaker joints, slower mornings, fading strength. Yet nature often works through quiet things the world overlooks. Mustard seeds carry plant compounds linked to inflammation support and healthy circulation. Though small in size, they contain nutrients and natural oils that have been valued for generations across many cultures. Modern science now studies these compounds with growing interest, especially their role in helping the body respond to stress and inflammation that slowly build over the years. There is something emotional hidden inside that truth. The body does not always need something massive to begin healing. Sometimes change begins with small daily choices, repeated faithfully over time. Add mustard seeds to soups, vegetables, or warm dishes. Use mustard oil carefully in cooking where it is traditionally prepared. Even simple meals can carry quiet strength. Because in the end, God often hides the greatest power inside the smallest things. The ancient world was not primitive, it was observant. Long before laboratories, supplements, and modern pharmaceuticals, people watched nature closely. They learned which foods restored strength, which plants calmed pain, and which seeds helped the body endure through old age. What feels remarkable now is how often modern science keeps circling back to those same discoveries. Again and again, researchers are finding powerful nutrients hidden inside simple foods that earlier generations already respected. Forgotten wisdom is slowly returning, and many people are beginning to realize the body was designed to work with nature, not against it. So here is a simple challenge. Pick just one seed from this list, and add it to your daily routine for the next 30 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. Small actions repeated over time can quietly change the way the body feels, heals, and ages. And now the real question becomes: which seed surprised you the most, and which ones have you already tried? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience may help someone else searching for answers. There are still countless biblical foods, ancient herbs, and healing traditions modern culture forgot. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Never Too Late 60, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health lesson, because we are only scratching the surface. God designed hope and not fear.